Today I'm going to demonstrate you how you can utilize your Apache web server logs on detecting SQL injection attacks using FortiSIEM. For a quick workflow, how it's going to work is we have our own website where I'm going to perform the attacks. A few common and popular attacks that majorly is used around the world, and we are going to see whether FortiSIEM is able to detect it, and if it's able to detect it, what is the time frame we are getting, and we are going to also see what is the underlying logic behind it as well. So let me just quickly jump to the demonstration. So yeah, this is our ticketing tool where users will come and log in and see the tickets on their recent alerts. So let me just open up a quick document where we have the most popular SQL injection attacks that happens all over the world. So from jumping through your login to implementing a payload of file, everything is here. So I would just quickly copy each and every payload and paste it in our website server and show you how the detection happens. So let me just quickly move to the website. Yeah, so here I am giving the first payload, paste the first payload, and yep, so as soon as I click this one, my system has accepted that one, but then it didn't move because we have all the standard security measures in place. So let me just quickly over to FortiSIEM and see whether it has detected or not. So I think the average time on detection would be 1 minute. Let us wait till it happens. Yes, so within a minute, we have an alert here where I could see before 21 seconds, and it's suspicious activity SQL injection string in URI. So this is how it's going to get detected. And for variety, I will be pasting all the payloads from my document, and we are going to see how it reacts, how FortiSIEM reacts. After that, I'll be showing the underlying logic, what is working behind. Yep, let me just quickly go and copy this one. Going back to my server where I will be pasting the payload now, and yep, again the payload has been accepted, but then let me just quickly go through putting all the payloads inside, and after that we can check all together, or else it's going to consume a lot of time for us to wait and do it. And we can measure whether it's getting detected or not by the count, so we will get there as well. And the third payload is this one. Let me go and copy the fourth one. Yeah, okay, this one will not give us an alert because it's going beyond my own Apache server. It would hit the cloud provider where I have provided this, where I have hosted the server. So maybe this payload is not even supported by my server itself, so that's why we are getting, sorry, your access has been blocked. So let me just quickly have the next one. So I think this is the same case with this thing as well. Yes, again, information schema probe. Yes, again the same. So I will just quickly jump to a different type, which is the case injection. And let me paste it and test it out on my site. Yes, now it has accepted this one, and I should get a count on that one as well. And yep, this is the last file attempt. yep, this is it. But then, and also I'm going to show, apart from me pasting the payload, I will also like to show how the keyword works in this one. So let me show you a list of keywords which we can insert inside, and then I will also show the detection of that as well. So these are few popular cases. We see this is the whole payload which we saw, right? So now apart from that, this is what will underlie on that payload. So let's test out with these keywords how it reacts for FortiSIEM. So yep, let me just go back to my original ID, page login, and yep, I'm going to publish the payload here now. I'm going to end and I'm going to give it inside. So yes, the payload has been accepted inside, and I should get an alert for this as well. So let me quickly go for the second one now. And yep, here we go. Even this one has been accepted. So let me just quickly go with the third and fourth one. Let me copy it all together. Version, select, and the select database. So we get the response in the this thing. Okay. So now we are hovering over to this one now, and yep, here I am putting inside the payloads. Select DB database. Yes, it has again accepted but redirected to its index URL. And yep, I'm going to give the select by, and yep, it's again the same story, where the last and final one would be the order by, where I'm putting it inside. And yes, so I think I have showcased you all popular payloads plus the popular keywords. So now let's go to the FortiSIEM back on detection part. And yes, if you could see, it's starting to detect, where the final one is our full, yeah, you see login, select, you see the selects which we given. Let me just expand, try to expand this one and zoom in here. So see, select we gave, and this is the payload which we gave, and it's starting to detect everything. Maybe about in couple of seconds it would load to all the payloads which we give. But before that, I would also like to show the underlying working of it, how it works. So yeah, this is one of a custom use case which was built by our team. So what it basically does is, so it's like simple plain regex pattern match. So we are basically matching the regex with the URI, and with the basically we are getting the event type, the engineering web access redirect, success, and not modified. So with this is what this thing is working as well. So if any questions for you guys, you can raise it up to our guys. So we will always be there for helping you. If there is any custom use case for you, and you want to see whether the payload which has been happened on your historical events, and if you want to test it out in our systems, you can basically go to app.techowlshield.com and you can introduce the payload, and you can say I have given the payload, did you find it, and then we can find it in our systems and we can send you back, so that you know for a fact that it's working. And our app is very much robust, so we are okay with all the attacks happening. So thanks guys, hope this was helpful for you. See you soon.